Hello and welcome to the show. Thank you for joining me. This is Crypto Condensed, and today is Monday, March 25th. Thank you for joining me. Let's hop into the markets. On CoinMarketCap.com, Bitcoin is sitting 3963, Ethereum 135. Overall market is slightly down. Top gainers of the day: Maximine Coin 28%, YKey Chain 18.5%, BitShares 12.8%. All coins are doing alright, I guess. So most of the coins are down again. On the top 200, we see OneChain 101, Nulls 102, and Nexo 103. Our top gainers on the top 200: Ormeus Coin 53%. I don't know if it's a scam or not. Unobtainium 29%, and VestChain 25%. Like I said, sometimes you see some good coins in the top 200, sometimes you don't. Today, not so good, so market's not too bad. Speaking of CoinMarketCap.com, one of the biggest aggregators of cryptocurrency market data said concerns over inaccuracy are invalid, and it will be adding more information to the website. So cryptocurrency admits that some of the information on their website is kind of scamish and invalid and not accurate. So the numbers aren't the most accurate numbers you could get the prices from. Just be known. There's other cryptocurrency aggregators out there also, like CoinGecko is one. Also Coin360. Let's see, Coin360. This one is Coin360.com. Another aggregator for prices. So we see Ethereum 134, so it's $1 cheaper, and Bitcoin 39.42. Yeah, it's another website, but anyways, let's get into the news. Bitcoin can easily pass gold's $7.5 trillion market cap, says crypto investment titan Mike Novogratz. This guy right here. He is an ex-hedge fund manager, formerly of the investment firm Fortress Investment Group. He was ranked a billionaire by Forbes in 2007 and 2008. 10 years ago, my friend. 11, 12 years ago now, but yeah, so he's saying that Bitcoin is going to pass gold's market cap of trillions of dollars. He says, I know Goldman, for instance, is gearing up around security tokens. They're not doing anything yet, but they're really getting ready and looking at all the questions on where you would store them. Do you have to build your own custody, or can you use somebody else's custody? They're going to find out. So Novogratz is about to find out what's up with the blockchain. That Bitcoin, he already knows about it, but for you to learn about it, and CISCO to learn about it, CISCO has just posted a blockchain by CISCO white paper. You can check it out on their website on CISCO blockchain. But this page right here is going to be in the description. It's the executive summary and the white paper of blockchain by Civic. You can check it out, all their framework, what their structure will be like, and their platform overview. This is big news for the industry of blockchain, and CISCO is merging both the worlds of data information systems and blockchain. TRON becomes available for trading to eTORO's 10 million users. I was actually just at the event for the eTORO launch event in San Francisco, and we welcome TRON. I guess TRON, another altcoin, is the 15th crypto asset to be listed on eTORO. Others are right here as highlighted. TRON has been one of the most highly requested cryptocurrencies from clients looking to trade in our platform, so we are very proud to provide it today. Yanni says, this co-founder of CEO at eTORO, says TRON is making fast progress towards lofty ambitions and has rightly garnered their attention of the community of cryptocurrency. Given the relative youth of blockchain technology, investors of crypto assets are investing in big ideas and seeking out companies that execute on big ideas. TRON is that. Especially with Justin Sun as the founder and CEO of TRON. has some big steps. With listing on TRON, actually, he says this about eTORO. With listing on eTORO, we're giving TRX holders another great platform on which to manage their assets. TRX is TRON, of course. These steps will help grow the blockchain community and expand our reach around the world. Good for TRON and good for eTORO. This next article is about another coin in the top 10 called Cardano. You see here ADA right there, 5 cents. Currently at a $1.5 billion market cap. Cardano is one of the rivals that are up against Bitcoin in the past year. Cardano in the last 7 days is actually up 22%, breaking into the top 10 biggest cryptocurrencies by market cap. Check it out. Cardano is going up. It's looking like a bull season for some of the altcoins, such as Cardano. It is a non-profit platform with 3 separate bodies responsible for its maintenance and development. Cardano is run by a team of academics and engineers who are trying to find ways to better scale and secure a blockchain network, and are working on integrating smart contracts. Cardano has been pushed on over the last few days by the release of a new network version seen as an important step towards the highly anticipated so-called proof of stake. So Cardano will be proof of stake in the future. That means the more you hold, the more payouts you will receive for powering the blockchain. Kind of similar to dividends, but you're actually putting up your stake into blockchain. Another giant in technology in Silicon Valley is e-commerce firm Rakuten. Like I said before, it is the sponsor of the Oracle Arena and the Oracle Park, where the Warriors and the Giants play, respectively. Rakuten readies cryptocurrency exchange for April launch after name change. April launch. Let's see. Japanese e-commerce giant Rakuten has completed registration of its cryptocurrency exchange Rakuten Wallet, which will go live next month. The company's confirmed in a press release on March 25th. If you click right here, this goes to the press release page in Japan. I tried to translate it through this Brave browser, but unfortunately it's taking too long. I'll let it run in the background, but in the meantime, Rakuten, which follows several major Japanese tech players in entering the crypto exchange market, renamed its product from Everybody's Bitcoin earlier this month. The company had acquired the exchange, Everybody's Bitcoin, under the former name last year for 265 million yen, and now they took it over. Rakuten market will contribute to the sound growth of the market as a virtual currency exchange company, and will further enhance security and provide enhanced services so that more customers can use it safely and with confidence. On to the next article, and like I said earlier, it's not translating in Japanese, but if you can read Japanese, go ahead and check it out. Another article I came across from Computer World is how blockchain is becoming the 5G of the payment industry. New blockchain-based financial networks like the one IBM launched last week will enable faster and more transparent cross-border payments, and eventually become the platform for retail and other consumer transactions. As more blockchain-based networks with fiat-backed digital currencies, including one of the largest U.S. banks, emerge, experts and analysts are predicting a sea change for the financial service industries. I think you're starting to see a growing consensus, says Matt Savare, a partner who works in the technology group of a New Jersey-based law firm. I do quite a bit of fintech, and I can tell you my banks are inherently conservative, at least the large ones. But once they see other banks adopt new technologies, you see a snowball. Other banks will often join on in pretty quick fashion. On the heels of JP Morgan Chase and Company creating its own stablecoin token for the use of blockchain distributed ledgers, IBM last week launched its blockchain worldwide, with Stellar, of course, Yeah, you can read up on this, but it's a pretty cool picture I saw on the IBM blockchain WorldWire that shows the steps involved with the originator of the contract through the IBM blockchain WorldWire, and it goes to the recipient. So check it out, all in the description. This was actually a Bloomberg article that was talking about the concerns about market cap being not accurate with data. This is where I found out about it. It was on Twitter, on Bloomberg Business, to be honest. But yeah, all links are in the description. And I'll conclude today's podcast with our coin of the day. It is TAEL, formerly Wabi. That's TAEL, TAEL. Wabi, WABI is the coin, I believe. If you go to, actually it's TAEL now. So if you go to coinmarketcap.com and go to TAEL, yeah, it's actually TAEL now. Wabi is the token symbol, but 21 cents is the price. Doing pretty well in overall the past month. Available on Binance and Kyber network. Very small volume, but Binance is the way to go for Wabi. They are a digital token, a first fair reward for consumer contributions in an ecosystem of safe and authentic products. It's like for products like Amazon, and they verify and identify products. Like in China, there's so many fakes and fugazi equipment out there. So you want to have the right formulas, the right ingredients in your food, in your services. So right here it's exchange, consumer, tech rock, brands and merchants. That's the flow of TAEL. It gives consumers full control over the rewards, allowing them to gain real value, spend and earn like never before. TAEL is added to your account by purchasing a product, referring your friends, verifying authenticity by touching the Tech Rock label, participating in events and activities. It's that easy. So if you go to this Wabi's or TAEL's Twitter, here's a video posted today about how milestone reached. Our warehouse and coding app has been upgraded, significantly speeding up logistics and paving way for rapid expansion. The impact of this tech update extends beyond our warehouses. Even a manual scan and update takes only a few seconds. So let's check it out how it works. He's scanning it, making sure it's all in the box and ready to go. Of course, it's in Japanese or Chinese. I don't even know. Yeah, but he scans it. Manual scan update takes a few seconds. It's a Singapore based company. Yes, but TAEL, Wabi, check it out. Hope you have a good evening. This is Crypto Condensed, and I'm out of here.